How to make PDF size KB to MB? As you can see, this PDF is 98 KB. We will make it to 1 MB or as you want. Okay. So go to your Chrome browser and search here PDF KB to MB and search it. You will see this website PI7. Click on this. Select your PDF. This is our PDF. Now required size, I will select 1 MB. I want 1 MB. If you want 2, 3, 4, you can enter that number. Okay, just click on convert PDF size. Wait for processing. Just download it. Now the file is downloaded and converted in 1.2 MB. Okay.